Scout.
Piggy. Piggy, no.
Hey guys, Russ here from Wilson Land Cattle Company. Today we have a friend in from Wisconsin.
Howdy, folks.
It's Ryan and DeAnn.
Yeah.
All the way from Amherst, Wisconsin. We're doing a route out east, delivering purebred red wattle, purebred Meishan, and some crossbred breeding stock for pigs.
And you have routes. It seems like you go all over the place with these guys, don't you?
Yeah, we've been all the way to Washington, Oregon, California, down to Texas, Alabama, Mississippi, Florida. So we travel just about anywhere, and as long as we can get a full load of trucks, it makes
it pay.
Financial sense. And there's a lot of people out there that don't have the ability to go out and even pick up hogs. So delivery is kind of a little niche market that we found.
It's great. It's great. I mean, so if you need any red wattle hogs or Meishans, get a hold of these guys. Why red wattles and why Meishans?
Red wattles and Meishans are both known for being easier to work with and have exceptional meat quality. And when we started raising pigs on our place about 20 years ago, we had our first pigs. It was just to have some pork for ourselves, and then slowly you get to the point where it's like, well, let's try and make this better by finding a better breed that's more for what we want to do. And I hope these work out good for you and your pasture setup. And
I think they are. We're pretty excited about it. So we got 4 crossbreds: the Meishan, Mulefoot, red wattle cross, and they're 50% red wattle.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then we got a purebred red wattle gilt and a purebred boar.
Yep.
And yeah, that's pretty exciting. So you have a YouTube channel too, don't you?
Yeah, we have a YouTube channel.
How can my guys get a hold of you?
EPIC NATURE LLC on Facebook and on YouTube.
Yeah, so if you would, he's not quite to 1,000 subscribers yet, so hop on over there and subscribe to his channel. He's got some good stuff.
Get that giveaway.
Yeah, we also have a garden giveaway that we're going to be doing a garden installation for one of the first 1,000 subscribers, and we're pretty excited to go anywhere in the lower 48 to put this garden in.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, that's a good opportunity. So hop over there to Ryan and DeAnn's channel and subscribe. So I can't wait to see this garden you guys are doing.
Well, you're one of the subscribers, so who knows?
You
We might be
win.
back to Pennsylvania.
You might be back.
The maples are really nice, or not the maples, I'm sorry, the oaks are a nice bright color this year. So it's been a really pretty drive.
Because I'm gonna have to be working in this area.
Yeah, go grab a couple buckets of sawdust. I guess you're right.
No.
He's
always right. It's
I know. It just
sometimes.
should have listened to you the first time.
Well, I used to run one of these, one of those.
Oh, did you? Okay.
When I was in Hawaii.
Oh yeah.
Sewing up bags of
Coffee beans.
Yeah.
Get down.
Oh, somebody's hungry.
Just throw it.
Oh, guys, it's
They're
okay.
fine. They're just a little too like, oh my gosh.
Okay, so now
So right here's one of the. I mean. Out.
right in the.
Yep. Out.
Now we need the boar, which is.
Walker will shovel it out eventually.
Shoveled it yesterday.
Look at it. We're going to have to send Emmy into the truck if they don't want to come out because they're too big. No, He can crawl on his belly.
You.
There's your boar. Got him?
Oh, I guess the boar's a lot quieter then.
That's not so loud.
It's a big one.
They're all pretty nice little pigs.
Some of them are noisier than others. Escapist.
Yeah.
That's our escapist.
Oh, she's. I thought it was the one.
Yeah.
I don't think we're going.
349 in the corner.
Yep.
I got this hole here.
Do we take?
EPIC Nature.
I thought I said cash only. What are you trying to pull on me, Russ?
I can use cash.
No. It's EPIC Nature LLC. I know where you live now, so it's a ways back here.
Yeah, if you come back here, I'm pretty sure I don't want to be here.
Oh, I handed it to the wrong person. So sorry about that.
That's okay.
Everyone hands
hands them to me.
Yeah,
Yeah, well, everyone hands them to him, and then he hands them to you.
that's pretty much how it goes. Because Ryan wants me to
Hey,
remember
Dad, you
where
want
they
this back now?
What's that?
Want this back?
Yeah.
You guys want to come get your water?
How long did it take you to get them all caught up?
I don't
Half an
know
hour.
if I
Is that it? That's not
I
bad.
usually have
we had
a
him
pretty
in a
tight
small
pen.
circle already.
Darn dent's not helping, is it?
Don't want to be that guy
Farm vehicle.
You don't want to be that guy, do you?
driving down the road, things everywhere.
Yeah, we all know that guy.
Yeah, didn't we have to catch
Yeah,
a
we
pig
had a
from
pig
one of
that we
those
had to-
guys?
Yes, we did. We had a pig last summer.
it
It jumped out
It jumped
here on
out-
our
It
road.
jumped out of a 6.
We don't have any ivermectin, no.
We can
What do
still
you
do it.
use usually?
Just that wazine stuff. Do you have ivermectin
Yeah,
with you?
yeah,
Injectable?
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
do you mind?
No, I'll get it. I know where it is because I
Yeah.
put it in the
If
truck.
you don't mind, I'd just
I
as
have a
soon
feel-
use
I have
that.
a feeling I better shut the door.
1 ml. 340. Right here. sorry about that, buddy. Try that again.
They're not trying to jump over the middle.
Mom, they sit so well.
These guys are really quiet. Yeah. The last group we had.
Yeah, the last group.
And this thing, these guys are raised outside. Yeah.
I'm thinking he takes a book out and reads to them or plays the guitar or something. You do realize I'm not hauling my instrument. You do realize I'm not hauling my instrument out to the pasture.
I had to go and say something about how well they're doing.
That's the one you had trouble getting out of the truck.
Yeah.
It's 343. Just don't catch that one again.
There's only one more. There. Oh! You were saying what?
Oh, there, man.
There we go.
Okay, there's your lid.
Mm.
You don't stab yourself.
Those are making our really get them back over.
Run them back up front.
Go get some feed. That'll get them distracted.
They're pretty good listeners. Yeah, they grew up on pasture. They love it though.
But they're going to be back outside here in a few days. Just get them kind of settled in here now. Everything just does so much better outside.
They
Dad.
did. I mean, they absolutely
Everything.
loved it. I mean, we
Hey,
just.
Dad. Do you want this back?
So, red wattles.
They were grown in Texas, weren't they?
That's where they originated. The myth.
The legend.
Oh, okay. It's a legend then. Okay.
Well, so it was kind of a snake oil salesman kind of guy that claimed, oh, I've discovered this breed of pig, and the truth was,
Is anyone going to use any more of this?
No.
that he was just collecting pigs with wattles on them at auctions.
Okay.
He didn't go out in the wild and trap them like.
Okay.
He didn't go on
Like
some,
the big stories.
right.
The
That
story.
there was this roundup of these hogs that were all together. He was just collecting red pigs with wattles on.
Right.
Okay.
Got a big herd of them. Oh, look, I've got red wattles.
Red Wattles. Okay.
So, and the interesting part is that if you look at the pedigrees that go back into the 80s, the 6 sows and 2 boars that he contributed, none of those lines were kept going.
Right.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they.
Okay.
Yeah,
The
they
only
should've.
the only line is from one of his boars that didn't even have wattles, which would possibly could have just been a Duroc boar.
Right.
Absolutely.
They are-
Duroc or
So-
Tamworth or.
So this
Very similar.
Wangler line that everyone talks about is all but dead in the red wattles.
Right. Which is a shame.
Yeah. Well, you know, I kind of got into this. The large blacks.
Yeah, a lot of people like large.
The large blacks, there was all these specific lines and this, that, and everything else.
Here, we put that on my desk.
And it was kind of like, well, I think the first large black registry got shut down
That'll work.
Probably did.
from
Have
fraud.
my glove
Right.
back.
Right.
Yeah. So
Oh my god.
Forever.
really.
Yeah.
Okay.
So those are half red wattle, quarter Mulefoot, quarter Meishan. So if
Okay.
she's got the
And the
Meishan in
jumper's
her,
name is
they
Panda.
are,
Okay.
you know,
I love.
when
the
we
wattles.
handle the Meishans,
Oh,
they are-
screaming. When we.
Really,
our
they're hard to
last-
handle.
Was it our last?
Well, they're
trip or
known
the
for being
trip
quiet or
before?
calm, aren't they?
well,
Not when they're
they're known
off
for
the ground.
being anatomically incorrect,
Oh.
as in they couldn't kill a man if they wanted to, because they just are not a muscular.
Right. You'll see once they get, Meishan, once they get larger,
They're-
the crinkles in their faces can affect how well they can see.
They are
kinda close
so
their sight line,
sensitive.
and They are
Are
very
they?
sensitive.
They are very sensitive, the Meishan.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the red wattle, I did a castration video of the Mulefoot Meishan cross.
They
Mhm.
scream.
Scream.
Oh my god.
I just did some red wattles that I castrated. Not a peep
Out of any of them.
Yeah.
while I'm
They're
castrating them.
They're lovely. I
Jeez.
love them.
Yeah, I watched your video with that you're putting them in a bucket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It works great because they just focus.
It
that
works
they're in
great
a
for
bucket.
that size pig.
Well, yeah. Her and I did some hogs that would weigh about 150 pounds one time.
You need a bigger bucket. Like a 30-gallon trash can.
Yeah, something.
That
I
would
could
do
barely hang on to them.
it. Right.
We
'cause
flipped
they're
them
gonna really
upside
kick
down and
that.
tied them up, and it was a big chore.
I would have to say you'd have to tie them.
They get-
Stressful.
Yeah. Okay, guys. That's it for the unloading the hogs. Please subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.